The software provides a feature under the correction return option to delete salary details via Excel. An Excel file in the specified format is imported, and the corresponding salary entries for the selected financial year and quarter are removed from the return. Under the correction return option, scroll down to go to Add Salary via Excel option. Click on Excel Download to download the salary details currently uploaded in the software. Open the Excel sheet to view the details. Once done viewing, close the Excel sheet to go back to the software. Click on Delete Salary via Excel option. Click on the Download Excel Format option to download the specific format of the Excel needed to be uploaded in the software to make correction. Click on Import Data from Excel to upload the updated file. Select the Excel file to be uploaded into the software. Click on Upload and Validate. Once the file is validated successfully by the software, click on Start Import to import the data. The data will be imported successfully. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.